Welcome to a transformative journey with The Daily Rebirth. Today, we're about to unlock a powerful 7-step blueprint to triple your income this year, fast-tracking you to the ambitious $100,000 goal. Imagine what you could do with that kind of financial freedom. We've designed this concise 10-minute video to be your roadmap to prosperity, filled with practical strategies, real-life success stories, and motivational insights. And this isn't just about making money. It's about making a difference. It's about creating the life you've always dreamed of. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. And don't forget, we're in this together. The Daily Rebirth is your source for continuous insights and motivation. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of go-getters. Remember to subscribe to The Daily Rebirth for more insights and motivation. Now let's dive into our first step. Scene script. Step 1 on this journey begins with setting ambitious goals. Goal setting is the compass that directs our journey to financial prosperity. It's not about picking a number out of thin air, but rather it's about setting a target that stretches your capabilities, pushes your comfort zones, and ultimately propels your income growth. In 2024, we're not just aiming to double, but to triple our income, reaching for that ambitious $100,000 mark. Why? Because audacious goals inspire audacious actions, and it's these audacious actions that spark extraordinary results. Now, how do you set an ambitious goal? Start by visualizing where you want to be by the end of the year. Picture that $100,000 in your bank account. How does it feel? What does it enable you to do? Once you've painted this vivid picture, write it down. Yes, write it down. Studies show that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. But setting goals is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you take immediate action. That's step 2. Taking immediate action is about seizing the moment, harnessing the energy of your ambitious goal, and channeling it into tangible steps. It's about breaking down your $100,000 goal into smaller, manageable milestones and then taking action on them, right now, today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Maybe it's starting that side hustle you've been thinking about. Or perhaps it's investing in that course to upskill yourself, or maybe it's just setting up a savings plan. Whatever it is, don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. And as you take action, remember, success is not a straight line. There will be setbacks, there will be failures. But rather than seeing these as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for learning. Which brings us to our third step, continuous learning. Continuous learning is the fuel that keeps our journey to financial prosperity moving forward. It's about adopting a growth mindset, seeing every experience, good or bad, as a chance to learn, grow, and improve. It's about staying curious, staying hungry, and constantly seeking ways to better ourselves and our financial strategies. In today's rapidly changing world, learning is no longer an option. It's a necessity. Whether it's keeping up with the latest trends in your industry, learning new skills, or understanding the intricacies of financial management, continuous learning is key to staying ahead of the curve and achieving your ambitious income goal. One of the most effective ways to learn is through the experiences of others. Take the story of John, for instance. John was a mid-level executive earning a decent salary, but he had higher ambitions. He set himself the goal of earning $100,000 in 2024. He took immediate action, started a side hustle, faced setbacks, but never stopped learning. By the end of the year, he didn't just meet his goal, he exceeded it. John's story is a testament to the transformative power of goal setting, immediate action, and continuous learning. With ambitious goals, immediate action, and a commitment to learning, you've already set the foundation for financial success. Now let's move to the next steps. Scene script. Step 4 is about seeking mentorship. Remember, no one achieves great success alone. The journey to financial prosperity can be a daunting one, and having a mentor to guide you can make all the difference. A mentor is not just someone who provides advice. They are a guiding light, someone who has walked the path you're on and can help you navigate its twists and turns. They are the ones who can help you avoid costly mistakes and speed up your progress. Remember, a mentor isn't necessarily someone who is a millionaire or a billionaire. They are someone who is a few steps ahead of you, someone who can show you the ropes and help you grow. So how do you find a mentor? Start by identifying individuals who inspire you, those who have achieved what you aspire to. Reach out to them, ask questions, show interest in their journey. You'd be surprised at how many people are willing to share their knowledge and experience. And remember, mentorship does not always have to be a formal arrangement. It's about learning, about absorbing wisdom from those who have the experience. Moving on to step 5, building a network. This is crucial. They say your network is your net worth, and there's a lot of truth in that. Building a network isn't just about making connections. It's about building relationships. It's about surrounding yourself with people who lift you up, who motivate you, who challenge you. Think of your network as a personal board of directors. These are the people who can provide advice, who can open doors, who can introduce you to opportunities you might not have found on your own. Building a network takes time and effort, but the rewards are immense. Attend events, participate in conferences, join online communities. Be genuine, be curious, be helpful. Networking isn't just about what you can get, it's also about what you can give. Now you may be asking, how can I build a network if I'm just starting out? Start with who you know. Reach out to old colleagues, friends, family, join professional groups related to your field. Attend events and meetups, both virtual and in person. And when you meet someone new, don't just think about what they can do for you. Think about how you can help them. Networking is a two-way street. And here's a pro tip, don't forget to follow up. Met someone interesting at an event? Send them a quick note, express your appreciation for the conversation. Remember, relationships don't happen overnight. They need to be nurtured and cultivated. So there you have it. The 4th and 5th steps towards tripling your income in 2024. Seek mentorship and build a network. These 2 steps will not only help you grow financially, but they will also help you grow as a person. You'll gain wisdom, experience, and a community of individuals who are rooting for your success. With a mentor guiding you and a strong network supporting you, you're on the path to success. But there's more to come. Step 6 is about exploring side hustles. Think about what skills or passions you could monetize. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or perhaps you have a knack for baking mouth-watering cakes. These are talents you can leverage to create an additional income stream, a side hustle. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Now let's take Vincent, for example. He was a full-time teacher who loved photography. He started offering his services on weekends, and soon his side hustle was bringing in an additional 50% of his full-time salary. That's the power of a well-chosen side hustle. Step 7 is all about smart investments. Investing is like planting a seed today to enjoy a lush green tree tomorrow. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about growing your wealth steadily over time. Take Sarah, who started investing in a low-cost index fund with just a small portion of her monthly income. Over the years, thanks to the magic of compound interest, her investment grew exponentially. Today, she's not just earning, she's growing her wealth. The key here is to start small and grow gradually. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to invest smartly. There are plenty of resources and platforms that make investing accessible to everyone. With side hustles and smart investments, you're not just earning more, you're multiplying your income. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Before we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on your journey so far. Every step you've taken, every obstacle you've overcome has brought you closer to your goal. You are not just on a path to financial success, but a journey of self-discovery and growth. Embrace the challenges, for they are opportunities in disguise. Harness the power of ambition, resilience, and unyielding perseverance. Remember, the path to success is not straight. But with determination, persistence, and these 7 steps, you can reach your $100,000 goal. So there you have it, a 7-step blueprint to triple your income. From setting ambitious goals to investing smartly, every step is a stepping stone towards that coveted $100,000 mark. Be it learning continuously, seeking mentorship, building networks, or exploring side hustles, each strategy can fast-track your journey to financial prosperity. Remember, your journey to $100,000 starts now. Don't forget to subscribe to The Daily Rebirth for more inspiration and insights. Until next time, stay determined and keep striving for success.